this video we're going to have a look at points and lines. Here is a graph of 2x minus 1. To find the y-coordinate for any given x-coordinate without looking at the graph, we can use substitution. For example, when x equals negative 1, substitute negative 1 into our equation y equals 2 times negative 1 minus 1 equals negative 2 minus 1, which equals negative 3. Therefore, the coordinate is negative 1, negative 3. Let's check on the graph. At negative 1, negative 3, it is correct. Another example, when x equals 3, substituting 3 into our equation, y equals 2 times 3 minus 1, which is 6 minus 1, which equals 5. Therefore, there should be a coordinate at 3, 5. Let's check on the graph. 3, 5, yes, it lies on the line. To find the x-coordinate, we substitute in our y value and then solve. For example, when y equals negative 5, substituting in negative 5 where the y stands, that is negative 5 equals 2x minus 1. Now we're required to solve the equation. Adding 1 to both sides, I would have negative 4 equals 2x, and dividing both sides by 2, I would have x equals negative 2. Therefore, there should be a coordinate at negative 2, negative 5. Let's check. Negative 2, negative 5. Correct. Again, when y equals 0, substituting in 0 where y is, 0 equals 2x minus 1. Adding 1 to both sides, we have 1 equals 2x. And dividing both sides by 2, we have x equals 1/2. Therefore, there should be a coordinate 1/2, 0 that lies on the line. Let's check 1/2, 0, and yes, it's correct. To check that a point lies on the graph, we use substitution. Here we're given two coordinates. We're going to check if they lie on the graph. When x equals negative 3 on 2, substituting into the equation, y equals 2 times negative 3 on 2 minus 1, which is negative 3 minus 1, which is negative 4. Since when x equals negative 3 on 2, y equals negative 4, this point lies on the line. Let's check this one. When x equals 4, y equals 2 times 4 minus 1, which is 8 minus 1, which equals 7. Therefore, the point 4, 9 doesn't lie on the line, 4, 7 would lie on the line. Here we have an example where we're asked to find the values of a, b and c. Let's start off with a. In this coordinate, x equals negative 3. Therefore, y equals, the equation is negative x minus 2. So substituting in negative 3 into this equation, we have negative 3, that is negative x minus 2. Negative 3 is positive 3 minus 2, which equals 1. Therefore, there's a point at negative 3, 1. Therefore, a must equal 1. In our second example, x equals 0. Y equals negative x, which is 0 minus 2. Negative 0 is still 0, so we have negative 2. Therefore, we have a point at 0, negative 2, 0, negative 2, so b must equal negative 2. And lastly, here we have point C, negative 4, that is y equals negative 4. Substituting y equal negative 4 into our equation, we would have negative 4 equals negative x minus 2. Now we're required to solve this. I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1, and I get a final answer, x equals 2. Therefore, there's a point at 2, negative 4, So therefore C must equal 2. And that was just finding the y coordinate and the x coordinate given another point. Points and lines on a straight line.